2022 IRS tax refunds. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking IRS news alerts and updates. Make sure you're watching till the very end. We have lots of information to cover as always. This is the last update for the month of October. We have 2 months before the end of the year and meet that deadline that the IRS commissioner promised that he would be complete with that backlog by the end of this year. So we will see how it goes. Again, let's go ahead and get started. This information is being shared from IRS.gov. The first update is dated October 27, 2022. The IRS is reminding you, if you have a side hustle, if you use the third-party apps, you earn $600 or more, make sure to look out for your 1099-K form because you must file taxes on that income. That is the new $600 rule. There is a video pinned in the comments as well as in the description box detailing that 600 rule. Make sure to check it out if it applies to you. All right. October 14 update. The IRS is still sending out letters to those who are eligible for the 2021 Recovery Rebate Credit, Child Tax Credit, and the Earned Income Tax Credit and other tax credits depending on your family's personal situation. If you did not file a 2021 tax return yet, you may be eligible for these credits. The IRS want you to claim these credits and get that money for the holidays. They have also extended the free file till November 17, 2022 to make it easy for anyone who need to file taxes to claim those credit. All right. Now on to the numbers that are still waiting to be processed. The IRS updated October 28. They have 5.1 million unprocessed individual tax returns, and that number includes 2.1 million that still require correction, and 3.0 million are paper returns waiting to be processed and reviewed. Make sure you're contacting the Taxpayer Advocate Service if you have been waiting way longer than that 120 review date. Call the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance for hardship if you are experiencing financial hardship at 1-877-777-4778. Try to get your tax return completed before the holidays by contacting the Taxpayer Advocate Service. Now, status of those amended tax returns, they are also delayed. The IRS still have 1.2 million unprocessed forms 1040X that are taking more than the normal 20 weeks. Make sure to check the Where is My Amended Return tool to check the status of your amended return. You can also check the IRS online transcript and the WMR for the regular tax returns. Whether your return was filed electronically or on paper, it may be delayed for a number of reasons: mistakes, missing information, identity theft, or fraud. If the IRS can fix anything, they will fix it. If they need additional information, they will send you notices. Make sure to keep checking your mail, checking the WMR for status updates as well. Now, Form 7202, that is if you claim that COVID credit early on during the pandemic. There was the COVID credit that you could claim. If you claim that credit, your tax return may be under reviewed and delayed because of that. It states here that you must be an eligible self-employed at that time, self-employed individual to claim the qualified sick and family leave credit. All right, you needed to meet these two criteria here. It says carried on a trade or business within the meaning of section 1402. You can go to the IRS.gov website, type in section 1402. Also, it says you would have been eligible if you had been an employee of an employer other than yourself to receive that qualified sick leave wages under the Emergency Paid Sick Leave Act or the Qualified Family Leave Wages Act. All right. Also, the IRS is making adjustments due to the recovery rebate credit. If there were errors due to social security numbers, missing numbers, or being incorrect for the dependent's claims, as well as the last name of one or more of the individual's claim was incorrect, as well as one or more of the individual's claim as a dependent, they exceeded the age limit and did not qualify, or the adjusted gross income was not met, or you went over. Remember, the adjusted gross income could not exceed $75,000 for a single person, $150,000 if you were married filing jointly, and $112,500 if you were head of the household. Now, here are some notices and the action needed. CPO5, notice no action needed. The IRS is just notifying you of an action that was taken. CPO5A, you need to follow the instructions in that particular notice. 4464C, no action needed. 2645C, again, no action needed. The IRS is notifying you of the action they took. Letter 4800C, you need to follow the instructions and respond within 30 days. And that also goes for letter 3219C. Now, letter CP75, you need to follow the instructions. CP53, no action is needed. Letter 4883C, you need to call the IRS. 5071C, you need to use the online tool or call the IRS. 5747C, you need to visit the IRS office. Make sure you check out the video pin in the comment section on how to schedule an in-person appointment. You can also do that to check the status of your tax refund. Letter 447C, it says call only, all right? Now, here is the next direct deposit date shared by your fellow taxpayers: October 31st, 2022 and November 2nd, 2022. Those are the next mass update to get your tax refund. The IRS is working on the amended returns as well, making adjustments. As you can see from this particular update, the adjustment was done on October 21st. They're also still delayed on the amended returns. This particular return was received on July 8, 2022, and the IRS has not started the process of completing those that return. So the IRS have a lot of work to do to meet that deadline of December to be caught up with the backlog. All right, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to, and I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye bye.